how to pin videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin your videos on TikTok. So it's so easy. All you need to do now is go to your TikTok, click on profile, and like you see, I just have one video. I'm gonna click on it. You choose the video you want to pin. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points and click on pin. They're gonna send you a message say pin the video and in the top of the videos. Go back to your profile and you're gonna find the video pinned. So this video is gonna be on the top of all your videos. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.